In this video, we're going to dispel the myths about a plant-based diet with straight-up nutrition facts. If you're going to start a plant-based diet, you'll want to know these nutrition facts because other people will ask you these questions too. Before we jump into the video, don't forget to subscribe and leave a thumbs up. And if you have questions of your own, please leave a comment down below because we will always answer. Okay, nutrition fact number 1 is plant-based protein. There are many foods which can provide all the plant protein you need and more without eating a single animal product. Plant protein is lower in fat, lower in calories, and higher in fiber than animal protein foods. There are some complete plant proteins which contain all essential amino acids. Examples are things like hemp or soy. So that old myth about not getting enough protein on a plant-based diet is now just that. It's old news and it isn't true. There are even very successful plant-based bodybuilders. This wouldn't be possible if protein was a real issue when eating only plants. We've actually done a video explaining in detail plant-based protein. If you'd like to learn more about plant-based protein, you can check out that video. I've put it in the pinned comments below. Nutrition fact number 2 is iron. Everyone will be concerned that you won't be getting enough iron on a plant-based diet, but this isn't true if you're eating real whole foods from nature's pantry. According to the World Health Organization, iron deficiency is the most common nutritional deficiency amongst all people, even meat eaters. Iron deficiency is actually caused from not absorbing iron properly, and this is why it affects meat eaters as well. Women are at slightly higher risk due to our monthly cycle and blood loss, but as many as 11% of men are deficient as well. Eating foods like lentils, tofu, collard greens, and even dark chocolate will contribute to your daily iron intake. Things like tea and coffee should be avoided after an iron-rich meal, as these both contain chemicals which inhibit the absorption of iron. Also, eating your iron-rich plant-based foods with foods that are high in vitamin C will increase your absorption. So actually, that dark chocolate with an orange is a pretty healthy snack after all. Nutrition fact number 3, vitamin B12. It's an essential nutrient which is needed for healthy nerve production and to make healthy red blood cells. Vitamin B12 is the easiest nutrient to get on a plant-based diet because your own healthy gut bacteria will make it for you. The more you eat fiber-rich foods, the more you feed your healthy gut bacteria. You see, fiber is also known as prebiotics, and you need a wide variety of fiber foods or prebiotics to feed a wide variety of bacteria. Trust me, if you feed those little critters, they will make sure that you have all the vitamin B12 you need. Until you've built up your good bacteria, you can take a supplement with at least 2.5 micrograms a day. Yep, that's all you need. Micrograms as in like 1,000th of a milligram, and that will satisfy your B12 needs. Nutrition fact number 4, calcium. How will you possibly get any calcium without drinking milk? The dairy industry has convinced us all that we need to drink their product or eat their products to be healthy, but it's simply not true. Actually, dairy foods are one of the most allergenic foods known to man, and that's not really surprising because we were never meant to drink the milk of another species. One study found that approximately 70% of the world's population is intolerant to milk. Isn't that amazing? The sad truth is that those cows usually end up with infections of the bladder from being over-milked, and guess who gets to eat the blood and pus from those infections? Yep, us. Yuck. There is good news though. Calcium actually comes from the earth and plant foods, the green foods that a cow likes to eat. Now, that's a new way to think about calcium, isn't it? If you're eating your leafy green vegetables, you'll also get enough calcium. Enjoy foods like Brussels sprouts, kale, sweet potatoes, soy, chickpeas, or navy beans. And if you're still concerned, you can have plant-based milk, which has been fortified with calcium. What concerns do you have about starting a plant-based diet? Do you have any nutrition facts that you'd like to share in the comments? Please share away, and we'll see you in the next video.